Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading to you At Home with the Healers. So this book is going to explain the Healer family. Let's go. Meet the Healers. There's Mum and Dad, otherwise known as Chili and Bandit, and Bluey and Bingo. Together they have lots of fun. Wackadoo! Let's do this. For real life? I want to play for this long. And the fun begins in the morning. It's never too early to play a trick on Dad. Oh, lovely morning, isn't it? Oh, I wish Dad was here to enjoy it. I'm right here. Or ask him for a wagon ride. The Healers enjoy playing all sorts of games. There are inside games like hospitals. Oh, we'll have to operate. And outside games like Rug Island. Banana attack. Other games like Feather Wand can be played anywhere. Heavy. 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 Sometimes the Healer's house can be so much more than just a home. It can be a hairdresser's salon. Ah, he's got nets! Or a train line. All aboard Express Train. It's also a great place to put on a show. Bluey and Bingo love to imagine what their parents were like before they had kids. Ooh, marry me, babe. Why should I? Some days, Mum goes to work at airport security while Dad works from home. Well, tries to work. Hey! After a long day of work, school and play, the Healers always sit down to have dinner together. Surprising things can happen at dinner time, especially when magic asparagus is on the menu. Here, chuk, 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 chuk. On special nights, the wheelie bins go out. Bluey and Bingo like to help Dad with the rubbish. Spring rolls, yum, yum. Hey man, what about me? Just cardboard tonight, yellow bin. Every now and then, Bluey and Bingo have to do things they don't want to do, like clean their teeth or get out of the bath. I'm pulling the plug. You can see Dad's in the bath too. But they know there's always time for one last fun game. Can we play hedgehogs? Bedtime at the Healers means story time and being tucked in tight. It means dreamy adventures and waking up to a brand new day.